This video is to show you how to change the battery in your Fitbit Aria. This scale, you might notice that it's throwing out some different numbers and kind of being inconsistent. Might mean it's just time to change those batteries. It's really simple to do. You're just going to take the scale and we're going to flip it over. Make sure to put a towel down below it so you don't scrape the front of it up. See the battery door here. You're going to pull down on the tab here and pops right out. You'll see 3 AA batteries. That's all you're going to need to do this. Go ahead and pop those batteries out. Just like that. We'll put our new batteries in. Making sure that the negative side of the battery terminal goes against the spring in each slot, just like that. Negative side here. And the negative side on this side. Once you do that, you can press this button right here. That'll kind of get the scale going. You'll see the numbers come up there at the top. That lets you know that it's good to go. We'll replace the battery door back on like so. And you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.